Hello YouTube, this is the Florida Rider, and I am a little bit screwed tonight. I am heading back to my area, and the Skyway Bridge is closed. Yes, that's right, that big bridge I love to go over, that's the only route to my peninsula from the south, is closed. C-L-O-S-E-D, which means I have to go the long way. Why is it closed? Lord knows, but they don't normally close it when there's lightning, so this means something has probably happened. Something definitely not good. They usually only close it for high winds. Now, when I left to go visit relatives this afternoon, I looked at all the models of the weather for this afternoon from my cousin's house to my house at different times of the day and evening. It is not supposed to rain today. Sorry, it was not supposed to rain today. Emphasis on was. Because right after I got to my cousin's house, it started pouring. And it poured for a couple hours or so. And I said to myself, well, okay, it'll be done by the time I go home. Well, there were a few sprinkles when I went to go home. And so I decided that I'd go ahead and I'd take a different way. I went the western route out to I-75, and I was going to go to the Skyway that way instead of the other way, the eastern route. Well, it got me out of the rain, all right, but the Skyway is closed. This means I have to go well up into Tampa to get home. Now, the storm was moving to the west, and from my cousin's house, where it had just about finished, to the bottom of the Skyway, it was no problem. Which would be awesome if the Skyway was open. But it's not. Now, I think I can go around. Yeah, I can. I can go around and get off at the first exit, I'm pretty sure. And then we'll just find our way home. Luckily, my GPS is working. But I do have to plug it into my power because the battery's almost dead. But I can do that up here a bit. At least I'm familiar with the main arteries in the area, so I do actually know how to go around. Now, that didn't say that the Skyway was closed. Which is a bit strange, because usually there are flashing yellow lights when it is closed. So I might go see if I can actually get on it. If not, then I'll have to backtrack to here. So why the hell did it say closed back there if it's not closed up here? That's what I want to know. That's fine, I feel better now. The other reason I came on the highway was because there shouldn't be any standing water here. The sides of the highway is fine, I have no problem with that, but there shouldn't be any actual standing water on the highway. Hey, there is, I'm screwed when I get off the highway. In the meantime, you might want to look at the lightning. Now the storm was coming this way, but there should only be sprinkles if anything left here. Okay, good. I'm going to make this just a lightning blog from here on out today. So, this is the Florida Rider signing off. Goodbye. Okay, and now it's raining. Yep, we're talking heavy rain.